Hi Aquarius, welcome to your reading. So this is for Aquarius June 8 to June 10, no? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel that is Babaylan TV. Ayan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences, no? At nagla-live po tayo doon. Kung gusto niyo sumali, pwede po kayong, you're welcome, no? Pero kung hindi niyo po maabutan dito po sa comment section, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, right? So Aquarius, for June 8 to June the 10, nakikita ko dito na parang ayaw mo muna expose yung sarili mo, no? Ayaw mo muna sabihin or ayaw ni kahit mag-post. Let's say sabihin natin nagtatago ka not because of utang, no? Ayaw makamingle kasi parang feeling mo you're being betrayed with people. You feel like you're under a surveillance, no? You feel like na yung mga tao sa akin lang nakatingin. You feel like you're being judged, no? Um, you know that parang na-stress ka dito kasi may inaantay kang either pera or inaantay na tao. It's an energy that probably you couldn't wait anymore. This is the energy that probably you are waiting to bloom. It could also be a success for business, no? What I am seeing in here is parang nagigising ka pa nga sa gabi, no? I think that this is trauma, no? Na-trauma ka sa isang bagay, especially with a small group of people. It could be friends, it could be a family of your person or your own family. With the Knight of Wands and the Moon card, ang dami tuloy yung mga tanong sa isip mo na, is my person really serious with the relationship? Ano pa kaya yung iba niyang kinikwento, no? Meron ba siyang mga shinare, no? Na hindi naman totoo or kung totoo man na that's private. You're trying to search and find out what more. And I feel like that you have probably some information in here and mas lalo ka na-stress. With the Ten of Cups and the Chariot, um, is it also that you would want to probably be with the person in a different place? Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, well, probably feeling mo na pagtutulungan ka sa loob ng isang bahay, so that's why you wanted to move out and want your person to be with you, no? With the Queen of Cups, the Three of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles. Wow. Ang hirap kasi ang nakikita ko dito nasasaktan ka and you're staying, no? Kapag aalis ka naman, masasaktan ka rin kasi your person might not probably wanting to be with you. So, you don't have a choice. Kumbaga, you just have to choose the lesser evil. So, masasaktan ako. Would I rather want na masaktan ako together with the person who's beside me or I'm leaving, ayoko nang masaktan. Pero kasi may iwan ko naman yung person ko. So, ako yung nanakit sa sarili ko, no? So, you catch the drift. Um, Kasi if you stayed, at least kasama mo yung person, no? Pero, nasasaktan ka because of, yung treatment ng ating, ng other persons or other people, surrounding you. Um, Pwede naman natin yung i-end. You by removing yourself, from the kitchen, yung sinasabi natin. If the kitchen is too hot, then get out of the kitchen. So that's what you're trying to do. Removing yourself from the kitchen. But however, yung pag-alis mo, hindi rin naman kasama yung person. So, um, I hurted myself. So, hindi nga ako nasaktan na ibang tao, nasaktan ko naman yung sarili ko. I think I do not have a choice, right? With the Six of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles. I feel like isa dito sa mga issue is yung parang sinasabi ng mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo, you're depending on your person. I feel like kailangan mo dito ng sarili mong pagkakakitaan, para at least walang nasasabi yung mga tao, no? Kasi parang feeling nila, nagpapakasasa tayo, no? Sa pera ng kamag-anak nila. Ayan. So, this is your reading, Aquarius. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, Capricorn. Um, I'm also seeing Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Sagittarius is very dominant. Leo, um, Virgo, no? Uh, yeah, Pisces also is dominant, and Leo. So this is your reading, Aquarius. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell at kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. No? Um, Again, Aquarius, maraming salamat. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading or susunod na live. Goodbye.